Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest 2024, Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest and how you can do both of these with each other and get, actual impressions and get your views, get your leads generated and a whole lot more. So all of that can be done in this video. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get a full concept and full idea on how Amazon affiliate marketing works. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to pinterest.com and create an account. Okay, so obviously make sure it's a business account because on a personal account, it gets pretty difficult to, get leads, get generations, promote links and all. You get the basic idea of it. So make sure that it's a business account and not a personal account. Now, once you have your account set it up and good to go, what you're going to do from there is you're going to come to this performance section. Here it gives you, your analytic overviews and gives you your top pins and stuff. Now, what we're going to be doing to create, let's say, an Amazon affiliate link on this is we're going to click on create, and here it says create pin for ad. Okay, we're going to click on that. And once you do that, it gives you all these things. So add your title, drag and drop your images, description, add alt text, add a destination link, etc. So we're going to keep it on this. Okay, we're not going to go ahead from this. So right now I want you to open 3 tabs for yourself: Amazon.com, Canva.com, and then finally ChatGPT. Okay, these are 3 tabs that we're going to be opening. Now you're probably wondering, what links do these have? Trust me, it's all going to make sense really quickly. So to start things off for yourself over here, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to be searching Amazon for the type of product that we're going to want to create, right? So the type of product that we're creating is, let's say I'm going to go with let's go with some gaming accessory, right? Because these are popping off, the gaming community is increasing on a high level and we want some good gaming things, okay? Now, to start things off, let's go with this, okay? SteelSeries Apex Pro Hypermagnetic Gaming Keyboard. Let's open this up real quick. Now, once you open this up, it looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool, has a really good look to it, has a really good output to it. So obviously, we're going to be going ahead and creating something, around this. We're going to be creating something regarding this, right? So to start things off for ourselves, first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and save this image. So I'm going to click on save image as, save the image. Now, once we do that, you're going to come to remove.bg. And while that loads, I'm going to come here into my Canva. I'm going to click on create a design. You're going to go and write Pinterest. And here it says Pinterest pin. So you're going to open up a Pinterest pin over here and wait for it to load. Now, while it loads, you're going to come to remove.bg and we're going to add the image that we just downloaded over from our Amazon and remove the background off of this image and click on download. So once you download it, it brings you here to this design and it comes over here. Now once we have it over here, look at that. So there's no background on this photo. So like even if I were to change colors on this, let's say I'm going to make it red, I'm going to make it black, I can make it into any color I want. I'm going to go with a bit of a, let's go with a dark blue scheme, okay? That will look cool. So I'm going to go with a dark blue scheme, and I'm going to make sure to maximize the size of this, make it a bit smaller. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to centralize it, maximize the size. Now once we do this, from here what we are going to want to do is we're going to start adding our titlings and our textings. So we're going to go into text. And once you go into text, from here you can, add headings, add subheadings, and little bodies of text. So let's say I'm going to go into add headings. And here, what you're going to do is you can, give a random slogan like game in luxury or something like that. Give it a catchy headline and a title. Once you do that, bring it up here. You basically just give it a nice look, give it a nice output. Now, once this is done, you can add some, random textures and widgets down here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and just add some different color widgets, or you know what, I'm going to delete this. Let's delete that, and let's just add a random texture right here. Wait. So, as I said, just Add a random texture. Obviously, make sure that all the other aspects of your photo are conjoined and don't move. And here you can see you can add this texture right over here, right under the keyboard. Obviously, you can increase this off through the whole photo if you want to. Now, if it looks too weird for you, don't worry, I'm going to fix that. You're going to click on this layer, you're going to click on position, and you're going to go to back. So now it's in the very back. You can actually go ahead and change its opacity as well if you want to. So, well, once we've done that, now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this and you're going to go to ChatGPT and write me a Pinterest ad with title for, then you're going to paste this and we're just going to wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. And while ChatGPT is doing its magic, we're going to take this image that we have. Obviously, you can make it a lot better. I haven't worked on this too much, but you can work on this a lot better. You can make this look tons and tons levels better for yourself, okay? But yeah, while that is happening, as you can see, ChatGPT gives us all these things as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. Once I copy this, I'm going to go ahead and paste this into the Pinterest tab over here. So I'm going to come on add your title and click on paste. So here you have your title, then you have your description pin. So, I'm just going to go and then copy the key features, to be honest. I don't think all of this will fit, obviously, in the Pinterest ad. So I'm going to add this and see how much liberty we have. So obviously it tells me to remove a lot of things. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And even then, if it tells you to remove, just go ahead and remove a few lines. And there we go. So we're good to go now. So once you do this, it says drag and drop or click on, some random photo of yours. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to add it over here. And once all of this is done, you're going to finally click on publish. And that will publish your ad. Now, you're probably wondering, what does this have to do anything with our Amazon affiliation? Let me tell you. Now, once this ad is published, let's say we're affiliating for this product here, right? Because if you're an Amazon affiliate, you get the links for certain products. Now, once you get the link of that product over here, you're going to take your Amazon affiliation link and you are going to add it in the destination link. So you can obviously edit your pin. Here it says website, okay, which is your destination link. So you're going to add the Amazon link over here. So obviously not this Amazon link that I'm copying off the URL tab, but the Amazon affiliate link that you're going to get from the affiliates. So if someone was to, check this out, they're going to click on your ad and they're going to be taken to your affiliate link. So if they buy it, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see all of you people in the next video. Goodbye.